Soothe Preservative-free eye drops. Product details. Soothe Preservative-free lubricant eye drops, from the eye care experts at Bausch Lomb, have a gentle formula that provides fast, long-lasting relief. This hydrating eye drop formula helps restore eyes' natural moisture to relieve dry, irritated eyes. It's gentle enough for sensitive eyes and LASIK dryness and can be used as often as needed. There are 30 single-use lubricating eye drop vials included. Soothe Preservative-free eye drops for dry eyes relieve dryness and prevent further irritation in convenient, single-dose vials. Preservative-free eye drops for dry eyes, provides fast, long-lasting relief, gentle enough for sensitive eyes and LASIK dryness, helps prevent further irritation, from the eye care experts at Bausch Lomb if used for post-operative, e.g. LASIK, dryness and discomfort. Follow your doctor's instructions. Long-lasting, fast relief dry eye therapy. Use Soothe lubricant eye drops to help moisturize dry eyes for long-lasting relief and comfort, formulated to relieve dryness of the eye and help prevent further irritation.
Eye drops for dry eyes. Tear replacement drops are important to help relieve dry eye symptoms.
Bausch Lomb eye drops. Whether you have dry eyes, red eyes, itchy eyes, or all of the above, we offer a variety of options for your needs, including lubricating, redness relieving, antihistamine, and preservative-free eye drops. Eye care experts. For over 150 years, Bausch Lomb has focused on innovation and quality in our eye care products, from contact lenses and solutions to eye drops, ointments, eye vitamins and more. Eye drops and more. Bausch Lomb makes eye care products you can trust, from contact lens solution to eye drops, vitamins, and ointments to help your eyes feel moistured and protected. Stop use indications. Stop use and ask a doctor if you experience eye pain, changes in vision, continued redness or irritation of the eye. Condition worsens or persists for more than 72 hours.